2016 Mercedes GLE. The GLE comes with the full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, keyless entry, backup camera, power liftgate, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats, rear defrost. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.